Hey again, guys. Got me and my man Vader here. We're about to do some potential energy um, experimentation. I got me a red ball and a green ball. Okay, whoop, there's my green ball. Okay, so based off this lab, this is ball one. This will be ball two. Okay, got the masses in the PowerPoint. Okay, refer to that data. You're going to need it. Okay, so we're here, and again, you guys can go ahead and look at my setup here. What I have here is each yellow dash is a tenth of a meter. So this would be 0.1 meters, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, okay, as you count up. Okay, and so this would be 0.1. This is 0.15. So these mark off the 5 marks. 0.1, 0.15, okay, 0.2, 0.25, and so on. So the idea behind this is we're going to figure out, okay, we're going to drop it at an initial height. Okay, I labeled that HI here, I, okay. It's going to have an initial height. It's going to fall. All the potential energy becomes kinetic, hits the floor, and bounces back up to a level. That level, it's going to be hard to pinpoint, but we're going to label our final height, HF. Okay, so we're back here collecting data in the lab. Okay, so we'll have HI, and then we've got to guess what HF is based off relative where it's at. Now, you guys will probably be able to freeze it to get a better view. So we'll click on that. So we'll fill out HI, okay, here, and then we'll figure out what HF is when we can go ahead and pause the video, because I can't freeze time right now. I can whenever it's videotaped, and I can look at this later. So let's go ahead and get HI here. We've got a red ball. I'll do it a couple times, and we'll guess where the HF is. So HI, okay, I'm going to put up here. So this is going to be our initial height, okay. This is at the 8th yellow line. So, I'm sorry, not yellow, orange line. Okay, so I'm going to drop it here. Our initial height will be 0.8. It will be 0.8 meters. So I'm going to drop it, okay. Whoops. We'll do it again. Oh, took off. Vader, give it back. So drop it till we get a couple of good ones there. That one wasn't too bad. Okay, I'm getting around like a little bit over 0.6. It's hitting about 0.6 meters, or up to that line around here. So we'll go back and freeze that and see what it looks like. Do it one more time. Oops. Trying to bounce and hit the wall. So try to get it consistent. Those are three good ones. Okay. So we'll look back at the data and see what that is. But our HI for that one was 0.8. Oh, Vader, get your act together. Come on, man. You're on TV. So 0.8 meters, HI. So now we'll do our green bouncy ball. And so we have this one. Again, mass is in the PowerPoint. Let's keep it consistent, and we'll do 0.82 as well. So again, 0.8 will be our initial. And let's do this a couple times again, and then we'll pause it, see where things sit for our HF. We'll talk about it as a class. Okay. It's not too bad. I'm getting it more consistent than that red one. Do this a number of times. Be here all afternoon. Okay. One more. Okay. So, again, looking at the data. I lost my black marker. We're going to use 0.8 again down here for our initial height. Okay. We'll talk about the data here in a second. Okay, go ahead, jot down your information in your table, and we'll talk to you in a moment.